Welcome everyone to this review of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. In this video, we'll be diving into the features and improvements of this foldable masterpiece. Let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 emerges as the result of continuous improvement in foldable design, presenting an elegant and sophisticated appearance that embodies the pinnacle of modern technology. Through advancements in both materials and engineering, this device has achieved a reduced weight and thickness compared to its predecessors, resulting in enhanced comfort for both holding and carrying. The Fold 5 refines the concept of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, introducing several key enhancements while avoiding a complete overhaul. A significant alteration lies in the new hinge, crafted from a more robust material that minimizes the risk of bending or breaking. This fortification translates to increased durability and reliability, essential for a device that undergoes frequent folding and unfolding. At the heart of the Galaxy Fold 5 lies its expansive foldable display, leveraging Samsung's proprietary ultra-thin glass (UTG) technology. This 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED foldable screen offers breathtaking visuals, characterized by vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Whether engaged in video viewing, gaming, or multitasking, the Fold 5's display ensures a seamless transition from smartphone compactness to tablet-like spaciousness, all with a fluid fold. Beneath its surface, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 operates as a true powerhouse, equipped with cutting-edge hardware. The device boasts the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 series processor, ensuring unparalleled speed and performance. Backed by 12 GB of RAM, the Galaxy Fold capably manages multiple tasks and applications with ease, maintaining a lag-free experience even under intensive usage. Dedicated gamers will find satisfaction in the Galaxy Fold 5's specialized GPU, which guarantees maximum settings without compromise, and advanced cooling technology mitigates overheating during extensive gaming sessions or resource-heavy tasks. Regarding its camera capabilities, the Fold 5 retains the same triple-lens rear camera system as its predecessor, comprising a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. This arrangement ensures exceptional image quality across various shooting scenarios, encouraging users to explore photography creativity with pro-grade features. For selfie enthusiasts, the Fold 5 incorporates a 10-megapixel front camera, facilitating immersive experiences during video calls or self-portrait capturing. This innovative camera system preserves stunning selfie quality while maintaining the device's sleek aesthetics. Supporting its robust performance, the Galaxy Fold 5 accommodates a substantial battery, ensuring all-day usage. The device supports both wired fast charging and wireless charging, including reverse wireless charging to power-compatible peripherals like earbuds or smartwatches. With a slightly larger 4,400 mAh battery than its predecessor, the Fold 5 offers extended usage hours, an especially welcome improvement considering the previous model's average battery life. Connectivity-wise, the Galaxy Fold 5 boasts 5G technology, enabling rapid internet speeds for seamless online gaming, streaming, and file transfers. As a gaming phone, the Fold 5 excels with its potent processor, expansive display, and prolonged battery life. Enhanced by software features like the Game Booster mode, which optimizes performance for gaming, the device satisfies the demands of even the most intensive games. Operating on Samsung's latest One UI optimized for foldable devices, the Fold 5 ensures smooth transitions between folded and unfolded modes. Apps and content adapt intelligently to changing screen sizes, facilitated by the multi-active window feature, enabling users to run up to 3 apps simultaneously for efficient multitasking. Notably, the Fold 5 introduces enhanced S Pen support, marking it as the first foldable Samsung device compatible with this beloved stylus. The S Pen elevates productivity and creativity, enabling tasks such as note-taking, drawing, document editing, and precise interface navigation. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 is now available for purchase, starting at $1,799 for the 256GB model. In essence, reasons to consider buying the device include the stronger hinge, longer battery life, faster processor, and the continuity of great cameras from the Fold 4. Potential drawbacks involve the lack of an S Pen slot and the absence of major design changes, while the device's relatively high price might deter some buyers. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 refines the accomplishments of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, incorporating key enhancements such as a sturdier hinge, extended battery life, and a swifter processor. Nevertheless, the device refrains from an extensive overhaul. While the Fold 5 serves as a compelling option for those seeking a new foldable phone, existing Fold 4 owners might find the upgrade less essential. Thank you for joining us in this review of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos in the future. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer. Until next time, take care.